Welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward ways of making money online. On my channel, I deal with online business, affiliate marketing, skill development, freelancing, life hacks and tips, social media hacks and tips, and I draw video every new week. Please, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel. Please, you do well to like my video. And if you are watching my video for the very first time, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. You can go to my YouTube channel to see the various videos I have done. So thank you. Today I'll be showing you how to use a verification code to lock your WhatsApp. So just come to WhatsApp, click on this three dot. Next, click on settings, click on privacy. Just move to this place. You can see fingerprint lock disabled, so just click on it. So it said unlock with fingerprint. When enabled, you need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can see answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So all you need to do is just to turn it on. So it said touch the fingerprint sensor. So it has recognized it. It said unlock with fingerprint. When enabled, you need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer call if WhatsApp is locked. You can set it to lock immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. So let's put it in immediately for the sake of this video. So let me try to, I've set it now. So let me go back. Let me try to open it again. Wow, it's locked now. So all I need to do now is to try to open it with my fingerprint. So that is that to how to lock your WhatsApp. So just press on your or touch your fingerprint sensor on your phone and you'll be able to access your WhatsApp again. If you find value in my video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe. See you in the next video.